Here's my brand new 40-inch computer desk in my bedroom, and I couldn't be happier with how it turned out. It's perfect size for small spaces and looks so sleek in the rustic brown finish. When I started assembling, I was impressed that all the pieces were clearly labeled, making it super easy to put together. In this video, it took me an hour and a half, and I did put this together completely on my own, no hassle at all. It includes adjustable feet, which are great for leveling on uneven floors. Now, the durability, this desk is solid. The wooden drawers glide smoothly and can hold a surprising amount of weight, perfect for heavy books or office supplies, and the sturdy metal frame and additional steel bars provide great stability, so I know this desk is going to last. It's also a great space saver. I can finally tuck my home office away and keep things organized. Before this, I was working from my kitchen table, which was far from ideal. Now I feel so much cozier and more productive in this setup. I went with the 40-inch rustic brown, but you have 4 color options to match your style. If you need a compact, durable, and stylish desk for your home office, study, or even a gaming setup, this one is a fantastic choice.